Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is weekly Forex forecast and market analysis for gold for the upcoming week starting from Monday, tomorrow, 26th June 2023, and the week will end on Friday, 30th June 2023. So tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must have made nice profits in the last week. I will be giving you a little bit of recap of the previous analysis as well. So since I have to talk more and analyze more today, because this is also the last week of the month, so let's see what we can get out of the market for the upcoming week. So first thing first, I will be recalling some of the previous levels because it will help us identify the trend changes, and it will help us predict the future moves, right? So first of all, if you know, let me delete these period separators, hide them I should say. So if you know, this whole story ran away from, like, why I'm discussing this whole story is that the bullish momentum we have got right here belongs to these people. So I have to also find out that if this bullish momentum is a true one or a false one. So the story began from right here, and like the previous Fibonacci failure, if we see, was right here on this candle. If you can see here, just have a look at this. And I cannot go further back because this much of the story I will be covering today. So as you can see, let's make it like this, it will be perfect. So as you can see, right here we have got a break of structure. So whenever and here is like an important thing is that break of structure once occurs, I will try to create a separate video on this topic because it is a broad topic or concept in itself. But for now, just pay close attention. Right here was 61.8% retracement for a sell, right, towards maybe 1830 somewhere, this zone roughly I'm drawing, because obviously in too much detail I don't need it at all. But this failure has occurred right here because market was supposed to bounce off from this area. It did not, right? Obviously then what happened is the break of structure. So we have identified a break of structure. So break of structure, BOS we can say for short to save time. uh, After this, if we see market also, this place is a 61.8 of these people, right? So it gave us this confirmation. Pay close attention. This was a confirmation that okay, the market is going back up. We have nice resistance, even that was broken, retested, and market continue back up. So from right here, what I need is, let me clearly show you, and that is right here. If we can see this zone, a previous break of structure occurred right here, and exactly 1913 1911 was the zone. So this really I have followed it, I don't want to go into the details. Then when I saw this really from right here, I became bearish from 2044. All of you may know till now so far, because all of the stuff I have clearly explained in the daily, weekly forecast, and obviously in the live streams. So this was like 2044. I was bearish from it, 2044. It went a bit negative right here, a little bit of it, but the trade went very nicely. Then several other trade setups, I don't want to go into the details of that. Then what last week I have said is that, let me show you, 15th, 16th it was broken, 15th. So let's see it. Market was somewhere right here last week, and here was my potential buy setup, which I have discussed, a buy from 1940. What I said in that video was that if the market continues straight down, I will be, you can check back my weekly forecast, then if it gives me a breakout, then I will be, or the audience can close their position near the break even point. So those who took these positions get a very nice chance to close their deals at break even. But even if the long terms took these trades, still it is a very fantastic. So when I didn't get a chance to close this particular trade, then opened this one, and this one was a buy limit. So the main story, and that I want to discuss, since like almost since 2 months, since May, the month of May, I'm clearly saying that market is going to drop, and the drop level was 1911. So right here if we see, so on the basis of that, I have clearly mentioned that this is now going to be a reversal zone. And if we see that on the H4, market barely came down even a single pip against us, and I took this trade. So what I'm looking for, obviously the Fibonacci is telling me that it is approaching back, since like the level that was going to keep changing itself, its level sometime 2020. Make sure, if you want to understand these things, try to also watch some of the previous videos, because that, I'm sure, will open your eyes when you see with your own eyes that this is okay, this is Aftab saying, and this is happening. And also you will be learning a lot of new concepts from it. But anyways, so 2014 is now confirmed. Now gold clearly suggests me a bullish move, no doubt. Like, it is not yet bullish. Those, like, there will be multiple ways to trade it, to the top side in the upcoming week, to the bottom side. I'm not going to trade it, though this little rally is definitely showing a drop. But this is H4, and that is the daily, so it's better to stick with the daily time frame. And if you see, we have like several attacks on the market. One attack initially happened right here. We took nice trades on this one, good profits. And similarly the sell trades, then from right here I took a trade, most of you will remember, live I took it. So no doubt it is clearly showing a bullish move towards, oops, it's okay, market is anyways closed. So this is, it's like showing me this. Now how it will go up there, obviously we have got a break of structure, and seems like these traders have made around 300-400 pips from this particular move, and then left the market and became bullish for making around 1000 pips from this rally. Now remember everyone, there will be just around 200 pips of SL for this particular entry, and it will be going straight towards 2014. So all of the weekly traders, let me remind you that I was like 2044 and 2062, I am on sell. Now I want to go and become bullish, but obviously, like, for to continue pushing further up, I will in the week definitely be waiting for some more levels that I can trade, and these are like practice trades, you can say, just to see and to show you those. So on the other accounts I have, definitely I'm going to keep it, right? But for them, the stop losses, I cannot tell you how much will that be, but obviously around 200 pips of SL if you can set, you can generate 1000 pips, which is almost like 1:5, a very good opportunity. But one thing, and that is, if it fails, then we will not be able to do anything. Now let's move on to the monthly time frame, delete these things a little bit and see. Since like the month is going to close, price clearly rejected from 1911, which was the level I was saying. And you may have also made around, like if I show you, this is this 1911, the long-term trade. This one gave around, it was giving me around 249 pips, but I'm trying to hold it for long term. Now on the H4, if I show you this particular setup, there is not enough volume. If on the H1 I show you, this is clearly showing some signs of bullish momentum right here, but clearly like the level is 2014, and till that point there will be a lot of breakout points, a lot of Fibonacci's we can get to the sell side, to the buy side. But one thing I will clearly recommend is that try to be on the buy side of the gold now, unless my next update, or unless it closes below 1911 or maybe 1890, then yes, I may again become bearish, but my strategy I mean to say. But for now, if we see on the lower time frames, it will be no doubt showing you sell signs, but we have not to fall into this trap. So there are some expectations that I have in the week. Maybe let's say on Monday, right here, this is one level, 1935, we can find some resistance up there. So let's say you are on a buy and market reverses from there, don't panic. You have to be panic if it gives a close below 1911, because that will be considered like a loss, I should say. Otherwise I clearly think that this market is still standing at a buy zone, and around 166 pips the day and intraday traders can easily make. And if I show you this little rally, this is almost like a 61.8% retracement right here. So overall it moves very nice, and it will be giving nice profits as well. So this is gold. I think the plan is pretty much simple. I'm so happy it justified all of the levels from the 3-4 months. I'm like consistently posting these videos, so that's why I give a reference of since May and June. But if you have time, there are around 600-700 videos on my channel. You can check back those videos, compare it with the market, and you will see that it brings a very positive change in your trading style. Plus you will also know the worth of this particular strategy. So if you enjoy this strategy once, you will never like any strategy again. So one more thing, I will be taking fresh clients, so if anyone is interested, may contact me on the WhatsApp number that I'm writing right here. So +923159922181. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me if you have any losing trades. I can help you. If you are not consistent, I can help you. If you are a beginner, I can help you. What else? If you have like support resistance problem, I can help you. If you have problems identifying your stop losses levels, I can help you. If you want to know TPs, in this mentorship program I will be covering all of the things, right? So I want to mentor you try to contact me on the WhatsApp number that I gave you. And I'm sure this will be a very good journey, because I have decided to train more people, and later I will be hiring them once they have an enough knowledge about it. So the strategy, obviously I will be giving you that as well. Plus, this is a type of strategy, even if you share it with someone, no one can steal it, no one can understand it. The keys are always with me. So anyone who is interested to be consistently making profits in the market, do contact me. One more level, since the month is going to close, and no doubt the market is still clearly bearish. So maybe if in this week there is also it's possible that this candle may not go up there and close, let's say 19,200,14. So now most of the levels like 2014, for that the market has to move 1000 pips on the monthly. Now on the monthly time frame, if we see, there will be different levels. 1960 is one level. So for now 2014, no doubt I will be following it till there. But uh, I think I should wait till 1980 for now as a resistance for me. So 2014, let's see if we can close these deals near 1980 somewhere, or 1960 level. 1960, let's see, for this upcoming week 1960 is so much possible to hit. The TP will be around 500 pips, but anyways, like if you want to trade it long term, you can. If you want to trade it short term, you can. So this was the video. I hope any confusions if you have, that will be no more there. 2014, if strong volume comes in, this is my level, and I will be following it for the long term. For this upcoming week 1960 is the level. Maybe if I can find some sell opportunities there, I will definitely be taking it. So this was the weekly forecast. I hope you will like these sessions. You will give me a nice feedback in the form of comments, and if you like my strategy, uh, even if you are a beginner or if you are not consistent traders, you have two options: you have to hire a mentor, or you have to quit trading. So if you like my strategy, I will highly recommend you to contact me on the WhatsApp, and we can work together. Since these days I have time, and I want to, like in these 2-3 months, I want to facilitate as many people as I can. So, but currently I have just around 2 seats available. So let's see, a 3 months course it is, and it's like a life-changing course. So thank you again everyone for watching the video. Leave your like and thumbs up the video, subscribe if you like my content, and consider me as a big bro or a younger bro, and do share your problems with me on the WhatsApp number, right? See you tomorrow or later tonight in the daily forex forecast video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.